Hi there, students. Fuliginous. Fuliginous. This is an adjective. Fuliginous means like soot, resembling soot. So you're probably going to say, well, what is soot? Well, when you have a chimney, inside a chimney, you have all of this black stuff on the surface. This is soot. Soot is half burned carbon, and fuliginous says something that is like soot. It's sooty. It's either got this dark color or it's got the texture of soot, because soot has like these little, it's just these tiny little bits. It's like a slightly rough surface. So a fuliginous surface, they describe some butterflies, or the markings on some butterflies, as fuliginous because it's got this sooty black. Yeah, and this is the idea. So coloured as if by soot, or sooty itself. So the what in London in the past, in the Victorian era, the atmosphere was very fuliginous, and the smog in London was terrible. So smoky, sooty. That's because most of the pollution was fuliginous. It had come from soot, and nowadays London is doing all sorts of things to eliminate all the all fuliginous pollution from the city. Okay, so fuliginous, sooty, dark, thick, noxious, unpleasant, obscure and murky, having a dark or a dusky colour. So it's fuliginously dark in there. It's dark and dirty and maybe rather unpleasant. Yeah, a fuliginous type of air pollution that comes perhaps from cars. You see the smoke that comes out of cars. Smoke itself is fuliginous pollution, because it's got all these little specks of half-burned hydrocarbons within it. Okay, so fuliginous, black, sooty. So formality, I would say this is a formal word, a 7.5 in formality. Fuliginous. And as to origin, fuliginosus in Latin, fuligio or fuligo, soot in Latin. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Fuliginous.